Samsung Soundbar says check subwoofer, meaning and what to do. Hey everyone, in this video we'll explain what it means when your Samsung Soundbar says check subwoofer, and how to fix it. Step 1. That message means your soundbar has lost connection with the subwoofer, usually due to power, signal, or pairing issues. Step 2. First, make sure the subwoofer is plugged in properly and the power outlet is working. Step 3. Check if the blue LED light on the back of the subwoofer is solid connected or blinking disconnected. If it's blinking, it's not paired. Step 4. Press the pair button on the back of the subwoofer using a pin or paperclip. Hold it until the LED blinks rapidly. Step 5. Now, turn off the soundbar, then press and hold the ID set button on the remote or soundbar until ID set appears. Step 6. Turn the soundbar back on. The blue light on the subwoofer should turn solid. This means it's successfully paired. Step 7. Still not working? Try moving the subwoofer closer to the soundbar or remove any obstacles between them. If the issue continues, check for firmware updates or contact Samsung support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.